Okay, here we are with the review for the quiz. Questions 3 and 4 will be done in this video. So here's number 3. It says the measure of BFC equals 88. So that's 88 degrees. FC is equal to 10. We have to find the length of arc BC. So we're looking for the length of this arc. All right, well, we know that the angle is 88, and the degree measure of BC will also be 88. And we're going to need that in order to figure out what part of the circumference we have. So arc length equals the part of the circumference that I'm looking for, which is 88 out of the entire circle, 360. All right, and since we're looking for the part of the circumference, then that would be the part of circumference 2 pi r. All right, so 88 over 360, that can be reduced. We'll do that in a minute. Times 2 times pi times the radius, which is 10. All right, so I'm going to reduce this a little bit right now. I can divide it by 2, I know that. I don't have my calculator right here. So let's see, that's going to be 44 over 180 times, I'm going to multiply these two, 2 times 10, 20 pi. All right, at this point, if we want the exact value, then we're going to have to simplify this a little bit more. But I can see that 20 and 180 will reduce nicely. So 20 goes into 80. How many times? 2 goes into 18, 9, and then with a 0. So 20 times, whoops, sorry, I did that wrong. It just goes in 9 times. Okay, so we have 44 pi over 9. So that would be our exact value. If we would like to figure out the rounded value, we're just going to put this into the calculator. 44 times 3.14 times 9, and I'll do that over here. So 44 times 3.14 divided by 9. And you're going to get approximately 15.4. All right, so that is the length of the arc. Over here, number 4, we want to find the area of the sector, BFC. So that's this. We want to find that area. So BFC, the angle, again, is 88. So I know this arc measure is going to be 88 degrees, and FC is 10 again. So when we're finding the area of a sector, we are finding the part of the area. So what part of the circle do I have? 88 over 360 times the area, pi r squared. The radius is 10, so I'm going to plug that in. And we can reduce this again, 44 over 180 times the radius is 10, so 10 squared times pi. And that's 100. So 44 divided by 180 times 100 pi. All right, so we can further reduce this. We can cut it in half again. So that's going to be 22. I'm doing this all without a calculator, by the way. 22 over 90 times 100. And I'm trying to write with one hand, and the paper's moving. Okay, so there we go. So 22 over 90 times 100 pi. So now I can just multiply across. Let's see if I can hold this. Okay. I'm at the edge of my paper, so it keeps moving. I'm going to move over here. So that's going to be 22 times 100 is 2200 divided by 90 pi. I can cancel out a 0, giving me 220 pi over 9. That is my exact value, 22 pi over 9. If I want to get the rounded value, then I have to multiply this by 3.14. So coming over here, let's find a blank spot. 22 times 3.14 divided by 9. All right, I'm going to let you guys figure that out. See if you can get that. I'm going to grab my calculator. All right, so 22 times 3.14, it gives me 69.08 divided by 9, 7.68. So 7.68, it doesn't give me any units, so I'm going to say units squared. And that is the area of the sector. Check out the next video if you would like to see numbers 5 and 6.